at a party, every girl was given 2 stickers and every boy was given 3 stickers. Okay, there were 5 times as many girls as boys. The children received a total of 390 stickers. Okay, so how many more stickers were given to the boys than to the girls? So you must remember, okay, the ratio between girls to boys is 5:1. So which means that in every set of this ratio, okay, in one set, you realize that 5 girls will be receiving 2 stickers, 1 boy will receive 3 stickers, and that will leave us with 13 stickers. Okay, now each set of 5:1, right, you'll receive 13 stickers. So, but we know that in all, the children received a total of 390 stickers. So, total sets will simply be 390 divided by 13, and that will leave us with 30 sets. Okay, so far so good. Now, how many more stickers were given to the girls than the boys? So let's go and find out first. Okay, how many stickers did the girls receive? Okay, stickers received by the girls. We know that it's 30 sets, each set got 5 girls, each girl received 2 stickers. Okay, that will be 300 stickers. Stickers received by the boys. Okay, we know that total is 390 minus 300, that will leave us with 90 stickers. So how many more, right? Very simple. The difference would simply be 300 minus 90, which is 210. That is the answer for this question.